Here is your new franking machine. Let's open the box and see what's inside. You'll find a pack of universal double sheet franking labels. You will also see some late meter franking envelopes, your power cables, network cables, a Smartlink device, and your scales. Now remove the top piece of cardboard. You'll now see your franking machine sitting inside of the box. Slowly lift the franking machine out of the box and gently put it to the side. Move the box out of the way. Now slowly get the two pieces of cardboard that are holding the franking machine together and pull away slowly.